Camping gear has reached a whole new level, and if you're still using outdated gear, you're missing out big time. Today, I'm showing you the most next-level camping gear and gadgets that every camper should have. Some of these will completely change the way you camp. Let's get into it. The Snow Peak Takebe Fire and Grill Medium is the kind of campfire setup you build a trip around. Crafted entirely from durable stainless steel and designed in Japan, this 5-piece system functions as a contained wood fire, a cooking grill, and a gathering point, all in one portable package. The grill bridge sits at 3 adjustable height positions, letting you dial in heat intensity, whether you're searing or simmering. A steel base plate keeps hot coals and embers off the ground entirely, leaving no trace behind. The whole system collapses flat and packs into a slim canvas carry bag with reinforced handles, making it easy to transport in a truck bed or SUV without taking up significant space. Optional accessories, including a charcoal coal bed, rotisserie, and Jikaro fire ring table, expand its capabilities considerably. A winner of the Good Design Award in Japan, and built for a lifetime of use. Some mornings in the backcountry call for more than instant coffee. The Out-In Nano is a fully self-heating, battery-powered espresso machine that fits in your palm and goes wherever your pack does. Its built-in 20-bar micro-pump extracts espresso at the same pressure standard used by commercial cafe machines, producing a rich, golden crema that most portable brewers simply cannot achieve. 3 lithium batteries carry the unit through multiple brews without a recharge, and the self-heating system brings room temperature water up to nearly 200 degrees Fahrenheit in just over 3 minutes. No camp stove, no fire required. It works with both ground coffee and Nespresso-compatible capsules, weighs under 1.5 pounds, and cleans easily in the field. Whether you're camped at a mountain lake or parked at a remote trailhead, real espresso is no longer something you have to leave behind. A great camp tool doesn't just do one thing, it handles everything. The Gerber Stakeout Spark is a 10-tool multi-tool built specifically for camping, and every design decision reflects that purpose. The butterfly opening plier frame delivers needle nose and standard configurations with a wire cutter built into the jaw, invaluable when a stake bends or a stove fitting refuses to cooperate. The standout feature is a built-in ferro rod paired with a saw blade striker. One deliberate scrape, and you have fire, even in wind or wet conditions when lighters fail. A 2.4-inch plain edge blade handles food prep and cord cutting, while the tent stake puller makes breaking camp on rocky ground far less frustrating. The carabiner carry doubles as a bottle opener, a welcome detail after a long day on trail. Backed by Gerber's limited lifetime warranty, the Stakeout Spark earns permanent real estate in any serious kit. Most portable fridges force you to choose between real refrigeration and real mobility. The Lethally Frozen Pack is the first to eliminate that trade-off by putting a true 12-volt compressor fridge in a wearable backpack form. A high-performance compressor drops internal temperature from 77 degrees to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. No ice, no guessing, no compromise. The temperature range spans from -4 to 68 degrees, covering everything from frozen meats to chilled produce. The 20-liter interior stores significantly more than most units of comparable size, thanks to a 42% effective volume ratio. Triple-layer insulation maintains cold for up to 4 hours when unplugged. The Lethally U20 battery system powers the unit for 6 hours on a charge and doubles as a power bank for other devices. Whether it's strapped to your back on the last mile into camp or secured in the bed of a truck, cold food is no longer a luxury reserved for car-side coolers. Some camp chairs exist to keep you off the ground. The Nemo Stargaze exists to make you forget you're outdoors. This reclining camp chair features a suspended seat supported between two curved aircraft-grade aluminum poles, creating a hammock-like floating sensation with full stability on any surface, rocky, sandy, or uneven. Simply leaning back shifts your body weight through the auto-recline mechanism, tilting the backrest smoothly to your preferred angle, up to a near horizontal position for genuine stargazing. A padded, adjustable headrest accommodates a wide range of heights. The non-absorbent monofilament mesh breathes in warm weather, resists bacteria, and drains instantly after rain. Two flexible integrated cup holders and a media pocket keep essentials within reach. A low center of gravity means aggressive rocking never feels unstable. Setup is intuitive, breakdown is fast, and it comes with a shoulder strap carry case, protected by Nemo's lifetime warranty. Setting up camp at the end of a long day should feel like relief. And the Rise Outdoor Air Nest 3 Plus makes that possible. This fully integrated inflatable shelter combines a 3-season tent and a wall-to-wall queen-size mattress into one system that inflates at the push of a button. The included Air Bank electric pump has the entire structure standing in under 2 minutes. No poles, no fly clipping, no frustration. A 3,000 mm hydrostatic head sill poly fly over an inflatable ribcage frame sits atop a puncture-resistant 420 denier Oxford nylon base, with fully taped seams and water-resistant zippers sealing the system against sustained rain. The mattress features an R value of 4 for cold ground insulation and zips out independently. 6 interior pockets and a built-in clothesline handle organization inside. Tested across 9 countries before release, the Air Nest is a serious upgrade for car campers and overlanders who want genuine comfort without complexity. When you're deep in the backcountry, handling whatever the terrain demands comes down to the tools you carry. The AdventureMate AMV2 gives you 5 full capability tools sharing a single 16-inch carbon fiber reinforced nylon handle. This is not a pocket knife with a small saw attached. 5 dedicated swappable attachments, an axe head, a toothed saw, a shovel with foot pegs, a hammer face, and a tent peg hook. Each lock onto the handle via a patented 2-stage cam lever mechanism that holds firm under real working force. It splits firewood, cuts lumber, drives stakes into hardpan, and digs fire pits with purpose-built tools rather than compromises. Manufactured and assembled predominantly in the United States, the build quality reflects a tool designed for actual field use. A leather axe sheath and compact carry holster keep all 5 components organized. For every unit sold, AdventureMate plants 5 trees. There is something fundamentally satisfying about cooking over real wood fire. And the Kakadu Ozpig is one of the most thoughtfully engineered ways to do it safely in the field. Built from 3mm welded steel with wide diameter stainless steel legs, this Australian-designed portable stove is built to outlast heavy use across years of camping. The enclosed fire chamber keeps flame contained, making it permitted in areas where open fires are prohibited, while the mesh door and chimney-mounted spark arrestor minimize escaping embers. An adjustable air intake lets you dial in temperature for simmering or high-heat cooking. The cast iron top plate handles camp ovens, billies, and most cookware. When cooking is done, the fire becomes a radiant heater for cold evenings. Optional add-ons including a rotisserie kit and charcoal grilling plate expand capability further. All components stow inside the body and pack into a carry bag. Most campers spend more time searching for gear than using it. The RX 70 liters is built to solve that. This isn't a bin or a duffel bag. It's a hybrid storage system constructed from 840 denier. TPU coated nylon with RF welded seams, delivering genuine waterproof performance. Spring steel corner stays hold the walls rigidly upright like a hard-sided crate, then fold inward when the unit is empty, collapsing it nearly flat. The patent-protected utility rail running the outer perimeter creates a modular attachment system for straps, handles, and mounting hooks. Carry it as a tote, a backpack, or mount it inside a van or truck. A tri-fold bungee lid handles rain and dust, while a TPU window panel gives quick visual inventory without opening the box. Reinforced lash points at 360 degrees secure it to roof racks or truck beds. It comes with a lifetime warranty and a spare parts program, built to be repaired, not replaced. Hauling gear from a parking lot to a remote campsite has always been one of the most physically demanding parts of any trip, and the Autosen e-Wagon Ultra changes that entirely. The world's first electric utility wagon uses dual in-wheel brushless motors that apply power automatically when you pull the handle. No throttle, no buttons. The proprietary FlowStride algorithm reads your movement in real time, matching output to your pace. Load it with up to 200 pounds of gear, and a 15-degree incline feels close to effortless, with the system reducing felt effort by up to 95%. Downhill, regenerative braking controls descent speed while recovering energy back into the battery. The detachable battery provides roughly 7 miles of powered range. High-density rubber all-terrain tires handle grass, gravel, and packed sand, while IP66 waterproofing protects every component. An extending tailgate expands cargo capacity, and the entire wagon folds flat in seconds. When the trail leads you far from any trailhead and the sky starts to darken, what you pitch matters. The Gertop Ultralight backpacking tent is built for exactly that moment. Constructed from 210 T tear-resistant polyester with a PU 3000 mm waterproof coating and double-stitched sealed seams, this tent holds firm in driving rain, heavy snow, and gusting wind. The snow skirt adds a critical extra layer of protection in cold weather conditions, while 2 large mesh ventilation panels keep moisture from building up inside. It fits 2 people comfortably, with 2 vestibules for gear storage, and the entire shelter packs down to just 17 by 7 by 7 inches. Despite its 4-season capability, the aluminum pole system and internal bungee design let you have it fully standing in under 10 minutes, even in failing light, even alone, even exhausted. There is no bad place to rest, as long as you have a seat with you. The SitPack Campster 2 weighs 3.2 pounds and packs to the size of a 1.5-liter water bottle, making it genuinely realistic to carry on a day pack, in a car trunk, or strapped to the outside of a larger bag. Aircraft-grade aluminum with powder-coated legs and anodized top tubes form the frame, while Oxford 600D ripstop nylon handles the seat, both built for years of repeated use. The redesigned 4-legged platform provides noticeably better stability on uneven ground compared to the original 3-leg version. Setup takes roughly 5 seconds. The frame unfolds from its carry bag and snaps into position without any assembly. A 12-inch seat height makes standing back up natural and easy. It supports up to 300 pounds, includes mesh side pockets for small gear, and carries a carabiner for attaching a water bottle. A bad night's sleep in the field affects everything: your judgment, your energy, your safety. The Nemo Roamer self-inflating mattress eliminates that variable. 4 inches of open-cell foam paired with Nemo's Flow Core construction, a system of horizontal and vertical air channels, inflates the pad quickly and creates a sleep surface that genuinely competes with what you have at home. A stretch knit top fabric adds softness against your skin, and the Lalo valve lets you fine-tune firmness to match how you sleep. The pad carries an R value of 6, making it viable in temperatures well below freezing. Individual pads connect together via integrated toggles, opening up a full double sleeping surface for couples. Despite its substantial comfort, it packs to roughly half the footprint of comparable car camping mattresses, a critical advantage when trunk space is already spoken for. Good camp furniture used to mean a choice between comfort and portability. The Helinox Cafe table and chair set removes that compromise entirely. The table stands at a full dining height of 27 inches, with a high-pressure laminate surface that handles hot cookware and mugs up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, practical on cool mornings when a warm cup meets cold air. The frame is built from DAC, aluminum alloy, the same material used in high-performance tent poles, and the table supports up to 110 pounds, while the chairs hold up to 320 pounds each. Setup takes under a minute per piece using a single internal bungee cord system. The entire set flat into compact carry cases and weighs a total of under 15 pounds. After a long drive into remote terrain, sitting down to a proper meal at a proper table changes the character of the whole experience. Setting up an inflatable camp, sleeping pads, mattresses, sofas, kayaks has always carried a hidden time and energy cost. The Giga Pump 4.0 eliminates it. This palm-sized rechargeable electric pump inflates and deflates fast enough to handle the full range of camp inflatables without the extended weight of slower devices. Multi-nozzle compatibility makes it universal across gear types, so one device covers the entire kit. It charges via USB and integrates into any camp power setup, power bank, solar station, or vehicle outlet. Beyond inflation, it doubles as a vacuum pump for compressing sleeping bags and down layers, reclaiming packing space when volume is tight. Whether topping off a pad that lost air overnight or breaking camp fast ahead of incoming weather, a capable pump living quietly in a pack corner pays dividends every single day in the field. The Solo Stove Mesa XL brings the campfire experience to spaces where a traditional fire would be impractical or restricted. Its signature double-wall design creates a secondary combustion system that burns off gases before they can escape as smoke, producing a cleaner, hotter flame from a fraction of the fuel a conventional fire pit would demand. The stainless steel construction is both striking and brutally durable, resisting the thermal stress of repeated high heat burns without warping or degrading over time. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for picnic tables, tailgate setups, or small clearings where a full fire pit simply won't fit. The ash pan underneath catches debris cleanly, making post-fire cleanup efficient enough that you're not still raking coals when the rest of camp is already asleep. For a fire that performs as well as it looks, the Mesa XL delivers on every count. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. The Kago Rideable Autopilot outdoor pickup is a groundbreaking leap into the future of wilderness logistics and heavy-duty gear hauling. Moving hundreds of pounds of equipment through difficult terrain is often the most exhausting part of any journey. But this AI-powered wagon changes the game entirely. Featuring an advanced autopilot follow-me mode, it tracks your movement autonomously, leaving your hands free to navigate or film content. The Kago is not just a hauler. Its rideable design and powerful motor allow it to double as a personal transport vehicle across open landscapes. With its massive payload capacity and rugged all-terrain wheels, it easily conquers mud, sand, and steep inclines that would stop a traditional cart. This is the ultimate high-tech companion for professional outdoor creators and overlanders who demand the absolute pinnacle of automation and utility in the field. Home is where you pitch your tent. The Coleman Sundome Tent Series is a legendary cornerstone of outdoor living, offering a reliable and user-friendly shelter for adventurers worldwide. When the clouds gather and the wind picks up, this camping gear stands firm thanks to its patented WeatherTech system and inverted seams that keep moisture exactly where it belongs, outside. It is engineered with a streamlined two-pole design that allows for a lightning-fast setup, ensuring you spend less time wrestling with fabric and more time enjoying the landscape. The large windows and ground vent promote superior airflow, preventing the dreaded condensation buildup common in inferior models. For the serious traveler looking for a durable, budget-friendly entry into the wild, the Sundome provides a spacious and secure base of operations. It is a time-tested classic that continues to set the standard for comfort and protection in the great outdoors. When the ground beneath your camp is flooded, frozen, or otherwise compromised, elevation changes everything. The Rhino Rack Hardshell rooftop tent mounts to your vehicle's roof rack system and opens into a full sleeping platform once you've reached your destination. The hard ABS shell protects the interior fabric during transit from UV, exposure, abrasion, and weather, a meaningful durability advantage over soft shell alternatives on long overland routes. All external materials meet CP/A I-84 fire safety compliance. The thermally lined 210D Rainfly delivers a 2,000 mm waterhead rating, and a 70 mm high-density foam mattress provides genuine comfort after demanding days in the field. Ventilated awning panels over the entry allow fresh airflow even in wet conditions. Installation and removal after initial setup takes under 5 minutes, making it practical for vehicles that carry you both on and off the trail regularly. There's a version of the perfect outdoor break where you sit down without hesitation, on wet grass, damp sand, or a muddy trailhead. And the Matador pocket blanket makes that version the standard. Made from 20 denier recycled ripstop nylon with a PU waterproof coating, it's water-resistant, puncture-resistant, and quick-drying at just under 4 ounces. Unfolded, it measures 63 by 44 inches, comfortable seating for 2 with room for food and gear. When you're done, the built-in Easy Pack pattern guides it back to roughly smartphone size, sliding into its attached pocket in seconds. Metal stakes at each corner anchor it to firm soil, and sand pockets in the corners hold it down on beaches or open terrain. It wipes clean easily and handles a standard washing machine without issue. Once it's in your pack, leaving without it starts to feel careless, which is the highest compliment any piece of gear can earn. Coverage matters at a campsite, from sun, wind, dust, and rain, and a 270-degree awning creates a sheltered living space that changes how usable the camp actually is. The iCamper ExoShell 270 is the world's first aluminum hardshell 270-degree awning. The hard case protects internal fabric during transit from UV, damage, abrasion, and weather deterioration that compromises soft shell alternatives over time. It mounts directly to iCamper B, D, V, rooftop tents, and compatible rack systems, deploys without tools in minutes, and closes back into a streamlined profile that doesn't compromise vehicle aerodynamics. In desert sun, alpine wind, or coastal rain, the coverage envelope protects cooking zones, gear areas, and communal space simultaneously. For serious overlanders camping frequently in exposed terrain, a hardshell awning of this scale and structural durability is a meaningful upgrade to the quality and livability of the camp environment. Cast iron is one of the oldest and most respected cooking surfaces in the outdoors. And the GSI GuideCast 10-inch cookset brings that tradition to camp without the traditional weight penalty. Engineered with GuideCast technology, this cookset is 20 to 40% lighter than conventional cast iron while delivering the same exceptional heat retention, even seasoning distribution, and lifetime durability. The set includes a 10-inch deep fry pan, a dome lid that transforms it into a camp oven, a dual-sided griddle and grill pan with stainless steel handles, and a universal Dutch oven stand for cooking directly over coals. Removable handles and an insulated sleeve protect your hands during use. The polished cooking surfaces work over campfire, propane stove, and even induction. Whether you're searing steaks after a day of hiking or cooking breakfast scrambles at first light, this cookset delivers restaurant-quality results at the campsite. There are tents built for fair weather. And then there is the Hilleberg Saivo. This 3-person, 4-season dome shelter from Sweden's most respected tent maker was designed for the most demanding conditions on Earth and has been used on expeditions to the South Pole. The Kerlon 1800 outer fabric and 10mm DAC featherlight aluminum poles combine to create a structure with 7 pole crossing points, providing extraordinary resistance to snow loading and sustained high winds. The inner and outer tents pitch simultaneously, keeping the interior dry even in foul weather setup. 2 roomy vestibules store gear, wet clothing, and cooking supplies, while adjustable vents at each end manage condensation through the full temperature range. The self-supporting dome requires only the vestibules to be staked, making it viable on hard-packed snow, rock, and surfaces where staking is difficult. A tent built to be unattended in fierce conditions and trusted to be there when you return. Splitting firewood and driving tent stakes are 2 of the most physical tasks at camp, and the Xibe camping hatchet handles both without compromise. The head is forged from high-quality heat-treated steel with an anti-corrosive coating, giving it a dense, wear-resistant cutting edge that holds its sharpness through repeated hard use on dry and green wood alike. The flat pole on the back face serves as a hammer, useful for driving stakes into hard or rocky ground where a mallet won't reach. A 14-inch fiberglass handle provides the right balance between swing speed and power, with an ergonomic curve and rubber grip inserts that absorb shock and prevent the tool from twisting on impact. The secure head-to-haft joint stays tight even under heavy repeated loading. A nylon sheath with belt loops and a carry handle makes it easy to transport safely between camp tasks. Compact, effective, and built for consistent field performance. Quality is never an accident. It is always the result of intelligent effort. The Dometic Recon Hardside Cooler is a masterclass in rugged thermal engineering, designed to keep your provisions ice cold in the most punishing environments on Earth. When you are off the grid for days, reliable food preservation is a matter of both comfort and safety. And this cooler's roto-molded construction ensures it can survive everything from heavy impacts to curious wildlife. It is engineered with thick, pressure-injected insulation and a tactical-grade seal that locks out heat, maintaining internal temperatures long after standard coolers have failed. The heavy-duty latches and integrated tie-down points make it a perfect companion for overlanding rigs and base camps alike. For the serious camper, this gear represents a long-term investment in durability, providing the peace of mind that your supplies remain fresh regardless of how high the mercury rises. At some point on a cold camping night, every camper has wished they could take their sleeping bag with them to the fire. The Selk bag makes that possible. This wearable sleeping bag gives you full arm and leg mobility, transforming insulation from a passive nighttime system into something you wear through the whole evening, around the fire, while stargazing, while cooking, and then straight to bed without undressing. The hollow fiber synthetic insulation mimics down clusters for warmth without bulk. An adjustable insulated hood, elastic hand enclosures, and zip-off booties let you tune warmth retention to the conditions. Leg vents, side cargo pockets, and internal access zippers allow temperature management and keep essentials reachable without removing the bag. Available in multiple temperature ratings from summer through cold season use, it stuffs into a generously sized compression sack for clean transport, and the entire outer shell is made from 100% post-consumer recycled materials. The Mars Players. The one represents a genuinely modern rethink of what a camp kitchen can do. Built around E-Core technology, electric, elegant, and environmentally forward, it uses Red-X far-infrared heating film that reaches cooking temperature almost instantly at 98.4% thermal efficiency, wasting almost no energy to ambient air. 3 foldable panels extend into a stable cooking platform for boiling, grilling, or using the modular grill attachment. A cooling module chills drinks without ice, and built-in pendant lighting illuminates your cooking area after dark. An ultrasonic pest repellent keeps insects away, while a laser positioning system assists with location awareness in the field. An integrated emergency kit carries a compass, torch, and hammer function. No open flame means no fire risk, no emissions, and full compatibility with fire-restricted zones. For campers ready to move beyond the traditional burner stove, this is a compelling step forward. Your shelter is your lifeline in the backcountry, and Gossamer Gears, the 2, earns that responsibility. Weighing just under 2 pounds, this single-wall trekking pole tent packs, small enough to fit in a water bottle pocket, yet opens into a genuinely spacious 2-person shelter. The 10 denier ripstop nylon carries an 1,800 mm waterproof rating with factory-taped seams that hold firm through sustained rainfall. Dual vestibules provide separate storage for packs and wet gear, while 2 mesh interior doors promote airflow and keep insects out on warm nights. Setup requires only your trekking poles set to 125 centimeters and 6 stakes, a process that becomes second nature quickly. 6 additional pull-out points accept guy lines for high wind stability. For thru-hikers and backpackers who refuse to trade dry sleep for a lighter pack, the 2 hits a compelling sweet spot of weight, space, and 3-season reliability. Car camping is only as good as the sleep it delivers, and the Xbed MegaMat Duo sets the standard for what that sleep can feel like. This self-inflating Duo mattress is engineered with 4 inches of open-cell polyurethane foam running horizontal air channels throughout, giving it a hybrid feel. The support of foam, the adjustability of air. An R-value of 8.1 makes it a genuine 4-season performer, insulating effectively even on frozen ground. The 3D vertical sidewall construction keeps the sleep surface fully level edge to edge, eliminating the tapered feeling common to most camp pads. A low-profile flat valve lets you fine-tune firmness by releasing air or topping it off with the included pump. 2 welded side handles make moving the loaded mat manageable. At roughly 52 inches wide, it sleeps 2 adults comfortably. Backed by Xbed's lifetime warranty, this is a serious long-term investment in outdoor rest. Camp cooking elevates dramatically when you stop balancing everything on a cooler lid. The GCI Outdoor Slimfold Cookstation gives you a full, organized outdoor kitchen that sets up with a single unfold and click motion and collapses flat for vehicle transport. The heat-resistant aluminum main surface handles up to 48 pounds, enough for a 2-burner camp stove, a griddle, and heavy cookware simultaneously. 4 fold-out side tables, each supporting 30 pounds with integrated beverage holders, keep prep space, condiments, and plates within reach throughout the meal. A lower storage rack holds a cooler or backup supplies below the main work surface. Built-in hooks manage trash bags and paper towels, while utensil attachment points keep tools organized and accessible. The powder-coated steel frame is built for repeated outdoor use across seasons. Packed, it measures just under 4 inches thick, slim enough to slide into a truck bed or SUV storage area without difficulty. Handcrafted in Holmdal, Norway. In a factory perched on the edge of a fjord, the Helle Nordlys is a full-tang outdoor knife built to perform at everything a wilderness outing demands. Featuring a 4.8-inch blade and a slight drop-point profile with a classic Scandi grind, it handles food preparation, kindling splitting, ferro rod striking, stick sharpening, and detail carving with equal confidence. The blade is forged from 14C28 Analima steel, a high-performance stainless alloy from Swedish manufacturer Sandvik, combining excellent edge retention, stainless properties, and ease of sharpening. The handle is shaped from carefully selected curly birch, oiled rather than lacquered, and sized to accommodate both a forward precision grip and a full pommel grip for heavier chopping tasks. A grommet hole in the handle allows carabiner or lanyard attachment. It ships with a hand-stitched, genuine leather belt sheath. Weighing just 210 grams total, it earns its place on the belt every trip. For thru-hikers and long-distance backpackers who demand gear that keeps pace with relentless miles, the Hyperlight Mountain Gear Unbound is purpose-built from the ground up. Constructed from Dyneema composite hybrid fabric, inherently water-resistant without coatings or DWR treatments, it keeps gear dry even in sustained downpour. The panel-based rectangular design creates a structured main compartment that loads intuitively, while taped vertical seams add another layer of weather protection. Large dual-entry front pockets, oversized side pockets for easy water bottle access on the move, a bottom pocket with a built-in trash port, and substantial hip belt pockets collectively create one of the most organized storage systems in its class. A single contoured aluminum stay and 1/4-inch foam back panel transfer load efficiently to the padded hip belt. Available in 40 liters and 55 liters, both backed by HMG's lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects. After a full day on the trail, what the body wants is full horizontal rest. And the GC Outdoor Legs Up Lounger delivers that without the bulk of a cot. This is a true camp recliner with a built-in leg rest that operates independently from the backrest, meaning you can elevate your feet without tilting the seat back. The backrest adjusts through 4 positions, from upright to near flat, letting you find the exact angle that works for reading, sleeping, or watching. The fire die down. A breathable mesh back panel keeps air moving on warm evenings. A plush head pillow provides neck support when fully reclined. 2 built-in features, a beverage holder and a phone pocket, keep the essentials within arm's reach. When the night ends, the Legs Up Lounger folds compact and carries hands-free via the built-in adjustable backpack straps. Rated for 250 pounds, it's a durable, genuinely comfortable upgrade to any campsite. Good campsite lighting is about flexibility as much as brightness, and the out-tasked telescopic light delivers both. Extending up to 36 inches, it functions as a high-mounted area light, collapses to table height for close work, or operates as a handheld flashlight between campsites. The 720-degree rotating lamp head provides true three-dimensional coverage with no dead zones or hard shadows. 6 integrated neodymium magnets in the base attach securely to any metal surface, a truck hood, trailer wall, or camp kitchen rack. The IP67 rated lamp head handles full submersion, while the IP6 rated body manages sustained rain without issue. A 12,000 mAh internal battery provides up to 40+ hours of runtime on low mode and doubles as an 18-watt fast-charge power bank. Built from aviation-grade aluminum with stainless steel hardware throughout, this light is engineered for the conditions you'll actually encounter, not just the ones on a spec sheet. Nature's peace will flow into you as sunshine flows into trees. The Gonex Extra Wide Camping Cot represents the pinnacle of ergonomic outdoor furniture, offering an expansive footprint for those who value freedom of movement while they sleep. When you are deep in the backcountry, the extra width of this specialized camping gear ensures that you never feel restricted by the narrow dimensions of standard portable beds. It is engineered with a high-strength aluminum alloy frame that balances lightweight portability with impressive load-bearing capacity. The breathable, wear-resistant fabric is designed to withstand the friction of tactical gear and heavy use, providing a cool and comfortable surface even in humid climates. Its intuitive fold-and-go design allows for a rapid setup, making it a favorite for mobile adventurers who move camp frequently. This cot is a must-have for the traveler who demands uncompromised comfort and space in the most remote corners of the globe. Adventure in life is good. Consistency in coffee even better. The Wakako Nanopresso Portable Espresso Maker is a masterpiece of handheld engineering, designed to deliver cafe-quality coffee in the most remote corners of the globe. When you are waking up in a mist-covered valley, this compact camping gear provides a rich, crema-topped espresso using nothing but manual pressure. It is engineered with a patented pumping system capable of reaching a staggering 18 bars of pressure, ensuring a bold flavor profile that rivals expensive home machines. Its lightweight, ergonomic design fits perfectly into any rucksack side pocket, making it a favorite for hikers who refuse to compromise on their morning ritual. For the international outdoor connoisseur, the Nanopresso is an essential camping item that brings a touch of sophisticated luxury to the rugged simplicity of life on the trail. An organized camp moves faster, wastes less time, and makes fewer mistakes. The Gregory Alpaca Camp Box brings a waterproof outer shell built for compressed loads and rough transit, transparent removable interior panels that let you identify contents without opening anything, and a modular architecture that adapts as gear evolves between trips. For overlanders moving camp frequently, visible organization that allows rapid retrieval without unpacking is a genuine operational advantage, especially when conditions push you to move fast. The durable shell handles the compression and impact loads of packed truck beds without flexing or failing. For photographers managing sensitive equipment, medics tracking supplies, or guides coordinating complex logistics, a storage system maintaining clarity under field conditions is what prevents small disorganization from becoming operational failure. When everything has a visible place, and that place is immediately accessible, the daily rhythm of expedition life becomes efficient rather than exhausting. Imagine kicking back in complete comfort after a long hike with the Moon Lens portable camping chair. This isn't your bulky, old-fashioned lawn chair. It is a marvel of lightweight engineering designed for the modern trekker. Built with high-strength aluminum alloy and breathable mesh, it offers a sturdy seat that keeps you cool even on humid afternoons. It supports up to 400 pounds, yet it's light enough to clip onto your backpack without a second thought. The ergonomic design cradles your back, making it the perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee or watch the stars. Assembly is a breeze thanks to the shock cord pole structure, and it packs down into a tiny carry bag. For campers that have a perfect balance of portability and relaxation, this chair is an absolute game changer for your outdoor kit. In bear country or any remote wilderness, keeping your food, backpack, and gear safely off the ground is not optional. It's survival discipline. The Selkirk Design Tree Belt gear system is built around a 2-to-1 pulley mechanism that takes the brute effort out of hoisting heavy loads into the tree canopy. The neoprene rock sock lets you load a few stones, toss it cleanly over a branch, and use the mechanical advantage of the rope and carabiner pulley to raise up to 100 pounds of gear. Food bags, backpacks, cookware, or anything wildlife shouldn't reach. With half the pulling force a single-line system demands. The paracord nylon ropes and heavy-duty carabiners are built for repeated field use, and the waterproof, tear-proof instructions travel inside the rock sock so the setup process is always within reach. Whether you're deep in grizzly terrain, protecting a base camp from raccoons, or simply organizing a hanging camp kitchen, this system removes the frustration, the failed throws, and the wasted time that traditional bear hang methods guarantee. Every great base camp needs a solid center, and the Let's Camp folding camping table provides exactly that with style and ease. This versatile table is built for those who love a clean, organized setup, whether they are in the outback or a national park. Crafted from heat-resistant aluminum, it's tough enough to hold your stove while you prepare a hearty trail meal. The adjustable leg heights mean you can transition from a low coffee table to a full-height dining surface in seconds, adapting to any terrain. It is incredibly stable on uneven ground, ensuring your drinks and gear stay exactly where you put them. When the trip is over, the tabletop rolls up compactly, fitting into a sleek shoulder bag for effortless transport. It's the rugged, reliable foundation that every camping family needs for a comfortable and stress-free outdoor adventure. Mosquitoes can ruin an otherwise perfect evening outdoors, and the Thermacell Radius Zone Gen 2.0 handles that problem without anything touching your skin. A rechargeable lithium-ion battery powers a low-heat element that activates a liquid metafluorin cartridge, a DEET-free, odorless compound derived from naturally occurring chrysanthemum-based repellents. Within 15 minutes, it creates a protection zone up to 15 feet across, quietly and without smoke or fans. A single charge delivers 6.5 hours of continuous protection, and one refill cartridge covers up to 40 hours across multiple outings. One button operates the entire system. Compact enough for a hip pocket, TSA compliant, and effective at any elevation, from coastal marshes to high alpine meadows. EPA reviewed for safety, it repels mosquitoes known to carry West Nile virus, Zika, and encephalitis. The best camp gear is what you set down and stop thinking about, and this qualifies. When you're deep in the wilderness, the Jackery Explorer 300 ensures your creature comforts never fade. This isn't just a battery, it's a lightweight power station designed specifically for modern campers. Weighing only 7 pounds, it's incredibly portable for your next weekend escape. With a 293 watt-hour capacity, it provides reliable energy to charge your drones, cameras, and laptops, making it perfect for capturing every scenic moment. The dual AC outlets and 60 watts USB-C PD port offer versatile charging speeds, reaching 80% power in just 2 hours when plugged into a wall and car outlet simultaneously. It's whisper quiet and emission-free, maintaining the peaceful ambiance of your campsite. Whether you're powering a mini cooler, or keeping your phone ready for navigation, the Jackery Explorer 300 is the ultimate companion for staying connected while you're off the grid. If the sound of a crackling fire and the aroma of a wood-fired meal is your idea of heaven, the Vivor Folding Campfire Grill is your new best friend. This heavy-duty steel grate is built to withstand the intense heat of an open flame, giving you a stable, reliable cooking surface anywhere you pitch your tent. Its clever folding design means it slides flat into your vehicle, saving precious space for other essentials. Whether you're grilling local sausages in the English countryside or searing steaks in the Australian outback, the reinforced mesh ensures even heat distribution every time. The legs lock securely into place, providing a sturdy platform for your heavy cast iron pans or coffee pots. It's a rugged, no-nonsense piece of gear that brings the traditional joy of campfire cooking to the modern adventurer with incredible ease. Off the grid doesn't have to mean off the power grid. The Lithely B600 packs 594 watt-hours of capacity into a compact 13-pound unit capable of running a coffee maker, keeping a laptop charged, and powering devices through the night. 9 output options, including 2 AC outlets, dual USB-A ports, a 100-watt USB-C PD port, a 15-watt wireless charging pad, and a vehicle port. Handle virtually every device without adapters. The standout feature is the Modular U-battery system. 2 removable 4,000 mAh side packs can be pulled out independently and used on the trail to charge your phone. Wall outlet, carport, or solar panel recharging gives you flexible refueling in the field. A pure sine wave inverter protects sensitive electronics, and the built-in battery management system prevents overheating. For car campers and overlanders who need dependable off-grid power, this is a well-engineered solution. The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. The FlexTail Gear Max Shower is a revolutionary piece of camping gear that brings the high standard hygiene of a modern home to the most remote wilderness sites. When you are covered in trail dust after a grueling day of hiking, this portable, rechargeable pump delivers a pressurized stream of water that makes outdoor cleaning effortless. It is engineered with a compact, lightweight motor and a long-lasting lithium battery, ensuring you have enough power for multiple showers on a single charge. The intuitive design allows you to draw water from any bucket or stream, making it perfect for personal hygiene, washing gear, or even cleaning muddy paws. This gadget is an essential luxury that turns a rugged campsite into a refreshing sanctuary, proving that adventure doesn't have to be dirty. Sleep quality in the field directly affects everything that happens the following day: judgment, endurance, decision-making. Under pressure. The Ergonomic Giga mattress treats that seriously. Its built-in electric pump inflates the full 5.5-inch sleeping surface in under 70 seconds from a single button press, powered by a 3,800 mAh onboard battery capable of over 20 inflation cycles per charge. The internal tendon structure distributes pressure evenly, eliminating the soft spots and progressive sagging that undermine lesser air mattresses overnight. The 40D nylon shell with TPU sealing resists moisture, abrasion, and puncture from rough tent floors and packed ground. At 5.5 inches of clearance, cold and damp from below stay below. Compressed, it packs to carry-on luggage size at roughly half the weight of traditional camp mattresses. For multi-night expeditions where recovery sleep is a performance variable, this mattress treats it like one. When every ounce matters on the trail, the Gossamer Gear Loris 25 Daypack delivers. Built from recycled Robic nylon, this 25-liter frameless pack strikes a clean balance between ultralight performance and genuine durability. The over-the-top closure locks your gear in tight, while a front vertical zipper gives you wide-open access to the main compartment instantly. Shoulder straps double as stretch mesh pockets for quick snack or phone access, and the large external mesh pocket swallows a rain jacket without hesitation. Dual side bottle pockets keep hydration within reach. Inside, a hydration sleeve doubles as a laptop compartment, and a zippered interior pocket secures valuables. The removable foam back panel serves double duty: structural support on the move, sit pad on rocky rest stops. For hikers who want to move fast and stay light without sacrificing practicality, this pack delivers exactly that. Nature is not a place to visit. It is home. The Odoland Camping Lantern with Ceiling Fan is the ultimate dual-purpose upgrade for anyone looking to improve their tent's interior climate and visibility. Staying comfortable in a humid forest or a stuffy mountain tent can be a challenge, but this two-in-one device solves two major problems with a single compact footprint. Featuring 18 powerful LED bulbs, it provides ample illumination for reading or organizing gear, while the integrated high-speed fan ensures consistent air circulation to prevent condensation. The adjustable hook allows you to hang it easily from any tent pole or branch, creating a centralized hub of light and cool air. Built with high-quality, weather-resistant materials, it is rugged enough to handle the rigors of international expeditions. This is a must-have accessory for campers who believe that being in the wild shouldn't mean sacrificing a good night's sleep. Everything tastes better when you cook it over a fire in the woods. The Funikitch foldable camping stove is a game-changing culinary hub that brings the efficiency of a home kitchen to the most remote landscapes. When you are feeding a hungry crew at base camp, this powerful two-burner camping gear offers the precision control needed to simmer delicate sauces or rapidly boil water for coffee. It is engineered with an ultra-compact, suitcase-style folding design that makes it incredibly easy to transport in a vehicle or overlanding rig. The adjustable flame control and wind shielding features ensure a consistent cooking temperature even in challenging weather conditions. Built with high-quality, heat-resistant materials, it is designed to endure years of heavy use in the wild. This stove represents the pinnacle of portable cooking technology, turning every mealtime into a high-performance experience under the open sky. You've finally reached that breathtaking campsite, but the nearest freshwater source is miles away. This is where the Co-Osment portable water containers become your most vital piece of gear. Designed for the organized camper, these high-capacity jugs feature a rugged, BPA-free construction that ensures your drinking water remains fresh and taste-free. The integrated, leak-proof spigot allows for effortless dispensing, whether you're filling a kettle or washing up after a campfire feast. With a sturdy, ergonomic handle, transporting water from the pump to your tent is no longer a chore. These containers are built to withstand the bumps of a dusty trail while remaining compact enough to tuck into your boot. For adventurers, maintaining a reliable water supply is the foundation of a safe trip, and Co-Osment delivers that reliability with every single drop. Great meals in the wild start with cookware that refuses to weigh you down. The Odoland Titanium Camping Cookware is a game-changer for campers, backpackers, and outdoor enthusiasts who demand performance, durability, and ultra-lightweight portability. Crafted from high-quality titanium, it's strong enough to withstand intense heat and rugged terrain, while being so light it barely adds weight to your pack. The set includes a pot and pan with foldable handles, perfect for boiling, frying, or simmering anywhere, from remote campsites to high-altitude adventures. Its non-stick interior makes cooking and cleaning effortless, while the compact nesting design ensures every piece packs neatly into a single container. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast, hearty stew, or gourmet campsite meal, this cookware offers reliability, convenience, and efficiency. For adventurers who value both weight-conscious gear and practical cooking solutions, Odoland's titanium set transforms every meal into a memorable outdoor experience. Imagine the sky suddenly darkening as a heavy mountain rain begins to fall just as you are setting up your base camp. The ACOL waterproof camping tarp is your first line of defense, offering a versatile and lightweight barrier against the unpredictable elements. Crafted from high-density, ripstop fabric with a specialized waterproof coating, it provides an expansive dry zone for your kitchen setup, gear storage, or sleeping area. With multiple reinforced tie-out points, you can configure it as a classic A-frame, a lean-to, or an emergency sunshade in minutes. Its compact design allows it to disappear into your pack, yet it unfolds to provide massive coverage that keeps you and your equipment bone dry. Whether you are shielding your tent from morning dew or creating a communal lounge space, this tarp is the essential multifunctional gear piece every camper needs. And that's next-level camping gear and gadgets that every camper should seriously have in their setup. Which one is going straight to your camping kit? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you the best camping gear out there. See you in the next one.